What's going on, guys? David Dobrik just hit me up to do some makeup for him on Jason Nash, so I'm about to get ready for that. And this video is going to be all behind the scenes that I film of the makeup and whatever I film that day. Who knows what I'm going to film, if I film anything, but this is all behind the scenes, so here it goes, guys. Enjoy. Bye!
Okay, guys, this is Sidney.
Hey, what's up?
And I forgot your name.
Jackie.
Jackie, and these guys are going to make me look like a really cool alien today. And then we're going to go out and scare some people for David's vlog tonight. And then you'll be seeing the process of my vlog.
Yeah.
And then we'll make some TikToks.
Let's do it.
All right.
Damn. It's actually not the worst I thought it was going to be, honestly. I thought it was going to be way worse than this. But...
2 hours.
You've been in this for 2 hours?
They did it in 2 hours.
Gotta get this angle.
It's pretty good.
It is pretty good. What is this? Is this just for lack of ideas? What is this for? A lot of tension. I'm actually really scared. It's not every...
Alien background. Creepy alien background.
Did you... hey, you crashed your UFO in my backyard.
I have a song in my spaceship. Come with me.
Our planet's processed foods have made me gain some weight. I cannot fit into this costume. What to do? What a dilemma.
There's a place called LA Fitness that would...
It is good to see you.
I'm fucking terrified. Holy hell, dude. When you get close like that, it's actually kind of scary. Yeah.
Well, you're in a cool outfit.
Yes, I am.
Okay, guys, I'm seeing this at the same time my camera sees it. All right, here we go. Whoa! Holy!
Hello, my name is Edward. I'm from the planet Glixon. You must be David.
Jason, this is fucking insane.
It's really good.
Have you seen yourself?
Not yet, I'm afraid to look.
You haven't seen yourself?
Not yet, no.
Wait, turn around. Dude, get the fuck out of here. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. Yo, this is genuinely like 100%. Can I show you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the viewfinder.
That's really good.
It's crazy.
Yeah, damn. Yeah, I haven't seen it with the eyes in. So yeah, I'm petrified. I'm scared of myself. Now what?
Oh, yeah. We should go show our friends.
Yeah, okay.
Dude, this is sick.
Yeah, they did an amazing job.
Yeah.
Let me show you something. I made a new friend on Earth.
That voice is so good.
This is my friend Brandon.
I love Brandon.
I've come to Earth to study him. Now, the first thing I'm going to do you want to know the 3 things?
Sure.
Number 1, I'm downloading his emotions.
Great.
Number 2, I'm downloading all the things that Brandon has learned in his life. And number 3, I'm having right now.
Dude, it's so good. The
Oh.
voice is so good.
Oh, good. I'm glad you like it. Because this was f***ing hell in the chair.
How?
And we will control all of you and eat your newborns! Every single person! Except for Zane.
Yeah.
Go. Ah! Oh, Fitty will be sick, actually. Yeah. Right here? Yeah, that'd be great. I'd definitely do that. But let me know what you think about the world domination. I will. Because it's fun. Could be fun with the infinity pool, you know what I mean? You and me. taking over the planet. Huh? Yeah, that's what. Yeah, why would I come to this fucking shithole? Are you kidding? Yeah, I'm gonna take it over. I'm gonna fucking build Dave and Buster's. That's it.
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Go.
All right, go. Just grab a closer one. Closer.
Oh.
Yeah, there we go. But be careful, they're sour.
Ah!
Yeah, I told you.
Ah! Ah!
Jesus, fuck.
Ah!
Dude, what's that sound? What is going on? I think it's done.
I think we're gonna have to do a touch-up.